Oh, you know when your 2-year-old spills the entire cup of chocolate milk right onto the carpet, and you only have enough time to blot it up before you're out the door. And its stain lives on for months as a reminder to chaperone snack time. Then, the puppy pees. Dirty shoes get worn inside, paint misses the paper. Girls' night, enough said. Before you know it, you need to do a full-on deep clean to save your sanity. That's why we have my newest best friend, the Hoover Smartwash. This is the only carpet washer that makes deep cleaning literally as easy as vacuuming. Yep, there's no trigger to squeeze, no measuring to do, and really nothing to think about. Just push the carpet washer forward and it knows to wash your carpets with the perfect amount of water in solution. Pull it back and it picks it up with super strong suction. See? Amazing results without using a heavy, dirty rental. And since it has a dry-only mode to pick up any extra water, these carpets will be dry in no time. Seriously, I might even carpet wash more often. Ah yes, a good old mystery stain. You know what? It doesn't even matter because these Flex Force Power brushes really get deep into the carpet for a super effective clean. Oh, and those well-traveled spots? Got it. See that? It's almost like new. That's the power of Smartwash.
Check out the newest innovation in carpet washing, plus our lineup of powerful solutions at your favorite retailer today. The Hoover Smartwash Carpet Cleaner. Powerful results, seriously simple.